Hi everybody, this is Rufus from Spotahome Milano. Today I am here in Via Pergolesi to show you a very wonderful flat at the third floor of this building. We are very close to the central station, the main station of Milan, and the place where all the bus comes from the airport of Milan and Bergamo too. So let's go to see the apartment inside. We enter in the flat by this door. Here we are. Just 2 steps inside the floor, inside the flat, we find a kitchen. This is a microwave, right? The fridge, and all the rest, all the equipment of the full equipment kitchen you have here, right? With a washer here, a dishwasher. All right, close to the kitchen, the bright dinner room of this side of the house is a very bright, is very comfortable. There is a sofa here, a sofa that become a bed. You just pull this side and this sofa become a double bed. Here we have a table for 4 persons, because this flat is for 4 people. All right, the LCD television, flat, and here a little balcony, but very wonderful. Here we are, and ladies and gentlemen, this is Milan. Here you are in the center of the city. You are in one of the amazing sides of the city. This block is a very wonderful block. Here you can see the old post office of Milan. All this building in front of us is a central station of Milan, and these buses are the buses that go to Bergamo Orio Serio Airport, Linate Airport, Malpensa Airport. All airports in the north of Italy have a bus here in this square near the central station. All the city, you are inside the center of the city. Right. Okay, come back in the apartment, in the flat. Right. Listen. Some noisy outside, just close, and noisy. Wow, very silent. Let's go to see the bedroom. Here we are. Very good bedroom. Double bed, a very good glass mirror here, and a wardrobe near the door. You can see that is a medium size, but is very good. So very bright room, a very good view from this window. Okay, to other side of the streets, important street of Milan, and here we can find the bathroom. Here we are. Oh, a shower. And the old unit. Very good. All right, come back to the bedroom. And of the bedroom, we can come back to the living room. Here we are. So, I'm very proud to introduce you to this flat, and thanks very much from Rufus from Spotahome, Milano. Ciao ciao!